Hey guys, welcome to our video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can send or receive invoices in PayPal. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So I want you to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website, and from there you want to log in your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to register in PayPal. Once inside PayPal, you're then going to see this section right here, and inside you are going to see the create an invoice button. You want to go ahead and click on it, and if you cannot go ahead and find it inside this section, you want to proceed to the send and request category, and from there you want to click on more. Now inside more, we have two options: create an invoice or create your PayPal.me profile. In this video, we are going to select the first one, which is create an invoice, customize, track, and send invoices. And inside this page, you're going to see like template, the currency, the billing address, items, and descriptions, and more. For the first one, as you can go ahead and see right here, we have our template. And if you click on this template, it will brought up this pop-up menu. We have amounts only, hours, and quantity. You want to select the appropriate option for your invoices, and right after clicking those options, it will go ahead and refresh our page. Second one, we have our currency. Of course, you want to go ahead and select the proper currency for your invoice. And for the next one, we have the bill to. You have the bill to single customer, or if you have multiple customer, you can just go ahead and click on this button. So right after, you want to go ahead and click on this pop-up menu, click on add new customer, and it will take you to this page. You have your first name, last name, business name, email address, code, phone number, country, the address for that billing address, shipping address, and the invoice language. And lastly, you have your additional notes right here. And so if you have multiple customers, you can just go ahead and keep adding them by clicking on the add new customer. For the second one, we have the item name. You can just go ahead and place your item name, the description of that item, the price, and the tax. You have your quantity, the price, and description. You can also add multiple items or service if you want to. And lastly, we have our message to customer. If you want to add a reference number, you can just go ahead and click on this button right here. And if you want to add some terms and conditions, you want to click on this button. So as an example, we are going to add an example item. And so after placing your item, it will go ahead and browse through the receipts right here. You have your subtotal, you have things like other discounts, shipping, other amount, and finally you have your total. You also have the payment options: allow partial payment, which is basically down payment, and we have the allow tip. If you want to know about more, you want to click on this question mark button. Your customers can pay partial amounts until the invoice is paid in full. You can also set a minimum amount of due. So you'll have your invoice number, invoice date, and the due. You have no due date, on specific date, in 10 days, and more. And lastly, you have your profile right here. You can just go ahead and click on this drop down menu to click on your profile, and you can also go ahead and add a logo. And so guys, if you click on the three dots right here, it will go ahead and share this link to an invoice. You can also go ahead and save your draft or save it as template. And lastly, if we click on this button right here, it will take us to the customer's perspective. Right here, this is the billing format. You have your invoice from me. I have my address right here. You have your price, and basically you have your selected payment method. So guys, in that way, you will be able to send invoices here on PayPal. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.